In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Bigcommerce themes. So in order to do that, you first need to make sure to create the store. Head over to their website, which is bigcommerce.com, and you should be able to see this. Proceed to click on this request a demo option in order to actually get access to their platform. Now, if you already have an account, proceed to click on this login option right here. Since we don't have one yet, click on this request a demo and you should be able to see right here this. Just need to fill up this form right here looking for your details and then click on get in touch. After that, a customer representative will get in touch with you regarding your trial with this and you can just head over and then get a trial. Now in order to edit your themes, I have in here this article that should be able to help us. So for the stencil themes, you can see the requirements as well as editing them. So if you have a stencil theme, you can head over and do so by editing it directly. So we have in here this. Make sure to have a backup or make a copy of your theme first. So in that way, even if something goes wrong with the theme that you're editing, you will still have a backup. From in there, just name your copy and in here you can see that you can edit your theme files. Click on this option right here and then you can see that it requires coding. So for this case, you just need to actually be knowledgeable in coding. You need to see in here that there's actually some folders and files that make up your theme. You can add in there some code that you want to edit for those themes and you can save the file once you're done editing them. So you can also use Control F or Command F to look for specific files and do changes by going to Control Z and Control Y for to reverting them. Save those theme files in order to successfully edit your BigCommerce themes directly right here. If you wish to use it, just click onto this Use Active Theme in order to use it on your store directly. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you